Remember this? This is snail mail. The post office isn't nearly as busy as it used to be. Business is down 20% over the last 4 years. And at this Richmond station, bad news is in the mail. Behind me is where the sorting takes place. But thanks to automation and the internet, many of these jobs and workers are being relocated as far away as Los Angeles.
I like this area. I grew up here.
Melvin O'Keefe has worked here since the 70s and has 3 years to retirement.
I have family in LA. I talked to them, they said I have to have a car to live there.
He's not alone. More than 60 jobs are being eliminated here. A lucky few will be transferred to Oakland, but most will be offered jobs in either LA, Bakersfield, or Fresno.
We've never laid off a single person.
The post office says it has no choice.
We have to relocate people and put them where the job or the work is.
Some employees are calling it plain old hardball.
Make them want to quit. You have children here, you have a house here. You're just supposed to make a choice between working for the Postal Service in Bakersfield in LA or quitting your job at the Postal Service so you can stay in the Bay Area.
This retired postal worker has advice.
This economy is in a recession, so you got to make adjustments to change. If you don't change, you lose.
With so many years invested with Uncle Sam, Melvin has few options.
So I don't really want to move. I mean, if I have to, I will.
Reporting from Richmond, Patrick Cedillo, CBS 5.